Hi, I'm Donna Wolfe from Naztazia.com.
Today I'll show the tilted square stitch pattern, which has slanted double crochet stitches. To begin, chain 30, or any multiple of 8 plus 6. Make a double crochet in the 5th chain. Double crochet in the next chain. Skip 2 chains and make a double crochet in the next one. Chain 3. Using the double crochet you just made as an anchor, make 3 double crochet stitches around it. 2 and 3. Skip 2 chains. Make 1 double crochet in each of the next 3 stitches. 1, 2, and 3. This is what it looks like thus far. Skip 2 chains and make a double crochet in the next chain. As we did before, chain 3. Using the double crochet, make 3 double crochet stitches around it. 2 and 3. Skip 2 chains and make 1 double crochet in each of the next 3 stitches. 2 and 3. You can see the tilted stitches starting to form in between. Continue this across the row. At the end, chain 3 and turn. That chain 3 is our first double crochet. Make a double crochet in each of the next 2 stitches. 1 and 2. Chain 2. Make a single crochet on top of the slanted square's corner. Chain 2. And then make 1 double crochet in each of the next 3 stitches. You'll be working over the previous row's 3 double crochet stitches, and they should line up nicely. And we'll repeat. Chain 2. Make a single crochet on top of the tilted square's corner. Chain 2. And then make 1 double crochet over each of the next 3 double crochet stitches from the previous row. 2 and 3. You can see how this pattern lines up nicely, especially with the 3 double crochet stitches in between. At the end, I'm switching over to the next color. Chain 3 and turn. We're going to do pretty much what we did on row 1. Start with a double crochet in each of the next 2 stitches. Then skip the 2 chains from the previous row and double crochet, this time on top of the single crochet. Chain 3. Then make 3 double crochet stitches all around that double crochet we just made. And then make 1 double crochet stitch in each of the next 3 stitches. And we'll repeat. Skip the 2 chains from the previous row and make a double crochet over the single crochet from the previous row. Chain 3. And around this stitch, make 3 double crochet stitches. And then in the next 3 stitches, make 1 double crochet in each of them. You can see what this looks like thus far. At the end, as always, chain 3 and turn. Now we're going to repeat row 2 again. Make 1 double crochet over the next 2 stitches. Then chain 2. Single crochet on top of the tilted square from the previous row. Chain 2. And over the next 3 double crochet stitches, make 1 double crochet in each of them. Continue repeating this pattern across the row. I like to switch colors every 2 rows, so on to the green at this time. Continue repeating rows 3 and 4 for as long as you wish. And that's how I make the tilted square stitch pattern.
To get more videos like this, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.